My name is Sohail. I am from Big Faction. I'm here to say about Amazon a+ content. Amazon a+ content is like turbocharging your existing Amazon page by adding modules that go beyond what a normal page has. It's a way of enhancing content to make it both more engaging for users and to reflect your brand in a deeper way, both of which can lead to higher sales. What is Amazon a+ content? Have you ever visited a product page on Amazon and when you scroll down the description, instead of the usual plain text, you see a brochure style design with a lot of product images, comparison tables and sometimes videos? That is a+ content. Why a+? The main purpose of a+ content is to increase conversion rate and sales. It provides an additional way to communicate to customers, and they can help persuade them what your product is the best fit for their needs, as well as addressing concern or questioning that may have. Amazon says that a+ content can increase sales from 3% to 10%, but in practice, your particular product and quality of content created could lead to results that are better. The purpose of a+ content is to bring customers closer to your brand and product range, and in increasing your conversion rate as a result. This is the percentage of visitors to your product detail page who actually go on to buy your product. Why Big Faction? We at Big Faction understand the needs of your a+ listing and creating something that is attractive as well as compelling for the buyers to develop an understanding towards the product so that each and every key points for the product is highlighted and help out the buyer in the make of decision go for it. Our 5 years of experience help us understanding what type of content and modules are suited for a product.